Welcome to this tutorial. How to set time limits for accounts. Are you worried your kids are spending too much time online? Setting time limits on accounts is a smart and easy solution. This video will show you how to set time limits on Windows accounts. Let's get started and make screen time smarter, not longer. Go to the Microsoft Family Safety website, family.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Add a family member by clicking Add a Family Member. Click on the Member box to select it and click on the Next button. Enter the child's email in the box and click on the Next button. Enter the Captcha code and click on the Invite button. Open the child's email and click on the Accept Invitation button. In the Join the Family Group as a Member page, click on the Join Now button. Click on the child's profile from the dashboard. Toggle on the button of Time Limits On. Click on a day to edit the time. In the Edit Time Limit box, select the checkbox for every day from the first drop-down list. Now, set daily time limits by adjusting the hours. Click on the Finished button. It's practical, easy to manage, and helps build better habits. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.